Hi all. Today we are going to see operators and expression interview questions in C program. Can you guess the output of this program? Integer a equal to 3 and here the value of b equal to 2, sum equal to 0. Then we are going to print the value of a plus b and sum minus minus. So what is plus and minus minus? These are increment and decrement operator, which is called as unary operators. A plus plus is a post increment. It returns a, then the value gets incremented. This incremented value can be reflected in the next statements. Pre-increment, it increments a, then it returns. Post decrement, it returns a, then it decrements. In pre-increment, it decrements a, then it returns the value. This is the four main concept used in this unary operators. So a plus plus, what is the value of a? 3. Since it is a post increment operator, the value is printed as 3. Then the value of a is changed to 4. Next plus b, since it is a pre-incremented operator, the value of 2 is get incremented. So the value is printed as 3. Next sum minus minus, the value of sum is 0. Since it is a post decrement operator, the value is printed as 0 but it is changed as minus 1, which can be reflected in the next statement. See here, the next statement print of %d a comma b plus plus and sum. What is the value of a? The value of a here is 4. Next, what is the value of b plus plus? Since it is a post increment, the value of b already printed is 3. So here also the b gets the value 3. Next sum. What is the value of sum? In the previous statement, the sum minus minus, the value is changed to be sum equal to minus 1. So currently the value of the sum is minus 1. Next, sum equal to b. What is b here? Plus plus. It is already incremented. The value of 3 gets incremented as 4. So the sum is assigned with value 4. When we see the output of sum, we will be getting the value 4. Is it clear? Next, here int a equal to 3, b equal to 2, sum 0, 0. So sum equal to plus a comma b plus plus comma b plus equal to x. What is plus a? Pre-increment. What is the value of 3? Sorry, what is the value of a? The value of a is 3. After pre-increment, the value get 4. Next, b plus plus. What is the value of b? 2. So post increment, the value will be 3. Why here 3? We are not going to print here, but the value is changed and it can be used to other statement. Since it is a comma operator, we are treating this as a next statement. So b plus equal to s. What it means? Which means b plus equal to a. b is equal to b plus a. Here it is not x, it is a. So the value is 4 plus 3, 7. Now we are going to print the value of sum. We are getting the value equal to 7. What is this comma operator? Since the comma operator returns the last expression value. What is the last expression value? 4, 3, 7. The last expression is 7. So we are getting sum as 7. Sum equal to, there are 3 operators. First operator, second operator, third operator. What is the last operator? B equal to b plus a. So the value of b equal to b plus a is 7. So we are getting the output as 7. Okay. Do you clear with the comma operator? The comma operator returns the last expression value. Remember this. Next. So what is the output of this? we are going to evaluate this expression. For evaluating this expression, we need to know about operator precedency. So the parentheses are given the highest priority, then unary operators, then multiplication, subdivision and modulo operator. The modulo operator gives the remainder. Next, plus, minus, less than and greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, not equal to, bitwise and or, and logical and or not, and the assignment operators. Next one is a comma operator. Have a look at this. Can we go and solve this problem? See here, plus a, multiplication, 3 into a. Here we use the parenthesis, then modulo 35 minus 28 divided by 7. So plus a into 3 into 8. This is the first operator which is going to be evaluated by the compiler. The compiler always evaluate from the left to right. So 3 into 8, it is 24. Next operator has highest precedency is plus unary operator. So here a equal to 3, plus a equal to 4. So 4 into 24 mod 35 minus 28 bar 7. Next, multiplication, division and modulo operators are there. These three have a equal operator precedency, but the compiler will take from the left hand side to right hand side. So first we are getting the multiplication. So 4 into 24, 96. Then modulo operator 35 minus 28 bar 7. Next, 28 mod 35, which is nothing but 26. It is a remainder, so we are getting the remainder as a 26 minus 28 divided by 7. What is the 20? Next, minus bar, minus or division operator, which has highest precedency. We know that the division has the highest precedency when compared to the subtraction operator. So 28 divided by 7, we get 4. So 26 minus 4. The final output is 22. So we get the answer as, the answer as 22. Is it clear? So before evaluating some problems, we need to understand the operator precedency. We need to learn about the operator precedency. Thank you.